A few months ago, we went on a road trip to Sagada. Dumaan kami sa Malico, San Nicolas, Pangasinan. First time namin dumaan doon and I fell in love with the scenery. Meron pala tayong ganun dito sa Pilipinas. So I made a promise that I will be back soon. Sabi nga ni General MacArthur, I shall return. And today, that promise will be fulfilled. At around 8:45 a.m., we arrived at Petron Lakeshore. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Maraming restaurants dito, but since it's a special day for me and my wife, we went for a good coffee, sandwich, and an expensive ambience. After breakfast, we took out some food for lunch. And since it's just the two of us, we don't intend to do some serious cooking in the camp. At around 12:24 p.m., I was already having fun driving up the zigzag road of Malico. This ridge starts from San Nicolas, Pangasinan and ends at Santa Fe, Nueva Vizcaya. The fond memories of our Sagada trip started flowing in. Mga masasayang alaala. We miss Team Baritua, Team Makashem, and Team Zamora. Lahat yata ng dumadaan dito napapatigil. Take a pause, breathe, and feel the beauty of nature. Look at the clouds. Malalanghap mo siya. Pwede mo siyang abutin at hawakan. Yes guys, nasa Pinas to. Atin to. Okay, stop tayo dito. May dalawang restaurants eh. We are less than a kilometer to Manggilitin at Tindaan, yung Sherman Tank park and campsite. Doon kami magka-camp. So less than a kilometer before reaching Sherman Tank, may dalawang restaurant eh. Ayan. Andun yung parang cafe. Ayan. Oh, ganda.
Meron ka bang
Yung clouds oh. Yung clouds oh.
Parang dito ba yung real food?
Wow. View. Parang cafe lang, parang snack lang.
May rice din sila?
May rice? Okay. So, the same lang pala to nung sa kabila. Iisa lang sila. The same menu. Wow. Oh my God. Doon kami galing. Doon kami dumaan. And here comes the beef tapa. 180 pesos, no? Not bad. Maganda yung amount, yung serving. Sakto lang, 180. Sana masarap. Try natin mamaya. And ito yung bangus. 180 din yung bangus. Plain nga lang. Kalimutan niya talaga yung soup ng... Kalimutan siguro lagyan naman yan. Andito na yung clouds, oh. Hindi mo na makita yung mountain, oh. Tara. Wala na, oh. Hindi mo na makita yung bundok.
It's all white na.
And we are now at the Mangili Tindaan Historical Nature Park, also known as the M4 Sherman Tank Museum. Mamaya, papasyalan natin yung battle tank from World War II na nakadisplay sa loob ng museum. Guys, yung strawberry ice cream dun sa gilid sa kanto is a must try. Masarap. You have to pay for the fees at the entrance before you can enter the camp. As you can see, the driveway is very steep. The management only allows 4x4 cars because it's difficult going out. Baka hindi na kayo makalabas. Lalo pat rainy season, pag nabasayan, it's really difficult. If your car is not 4x4, you can still camp here. Yun nga lang, you'll have to leave your car at the parking area near the gate. And, ayun nga, bibit-bitin nyo yung mga camping gears nyo. The entrance fee for overnight camping is 350 pesos per head and 250 pesos per car. And here's the rest of the other fees on your screen. Bale, dalawa yung camping area nila. Yung downhill, which is yung 350 pesos per head, and yung top hill, which is 500 per head. Ang kinuha namin yung downhill para may privacy from the park goers. Dun kasi sa top hill para kang nasa center stage, kita ng lahat.
Okay, so meron silang store dito. Ayan. No smoking and vaping. Open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ayan. So, bibili lang kami ng egg. Kasi naiwan namin yung egg sa bahay. So, 15 pesos yung egg. Yung large na to. Parang maliit to.
Burnt cheesecake. Doon to, binili natin to doon sa Cup of Stories, no?
Hindi ako sure, baby, yung pangalan.
Basta cheesecake siya. Doon to sa Cup of Stories. Magkano to isang slice?
150.
150. Mukhang masarap ah. Good morning. It rained around 3 a.m. Mahina lang yung ulan pero may pabigla-biglang lakas ng hangin. Mabuti na lang pinasok ko yung sasakyan sa loob ng tarp. It protected us from the wind. One peg came out na hila ng hangin. I used my emergency 40 cm camping moon peg. Buti na lang nadala ko. And then we were able to go back to sleep din naman agad. Overall, masarap yung tulog namin. Medyo malamig, we used only one electric fan. Maganda ang campsite, maraming kahoy, hindi mainit. Feeling nasa woods ka. Sabi nga ng iba, feeling Baguio. Para sa akin, mas gusto ko dito. Strict ang management, which I like. I feel secured. Ang problem lang, walang signal both Globe and Smart. Hindi kami makapag-check sa mga bata at home. Around 8 a.m., maririnig mo na ang mga tao na pumapasok sa park. Pero morning person naman ako, so okay lang. Tara, silipin natin yung Sherman tank while the wife is preparing breakfast. The Sherman tank was the most commonly used American tank in World War II. More than 50,000 Shermans were produced between 1942 and 1945. They were used in all combat theaters, not only by the United States, but also by Great Britain, the Free French, China, and even the Soviet Union. Notorious for their flammability, Shermans were nicknamed Ronsons after a lighter with the slogan, "Lights every time." The Sherman tank's primary role was infantry support, spearheading attacks as well as bolstering defensive positions. Though frequently outgunned by their German counterparts, Shermans proved easier to maintain, often fixed on the battlefield.
Eh, wala talaga signal dito.
Good morning. Breakfast namin ni Papot.
Egg.
Parang UP lang, oh. Sa UP kinakain na natin. Noodles and boiled egg.
So may wash area sila dito. Ayan. Wala namang, hindi na wala ng tubig the entire time. Malamig. Sabi nila the water is coming from the mountain. So para siyang nature spring, something like that. Natural water. Tapos ito yung mga banyo nila. So merong panglalaki, pambabae, panglalaki. So nakalak yung pambabae, ito yung sa lalaki. Basically meron kayo idea. Okay naman, malinis naman. Wala nga lang bidet. Okay, so marami silang stock ng water. Tahimik naman. Nakapag-relax naman kami dito. Di naman delikado? Wala pa namang na-aksidente dyan? Di pa naman ako magaling. Yung sasakyan ko kaya, pero ako ewan ko. Oh my God, ang tarik. Pero buti tuyo, no? Kahit umulan kagabi. Wala bang advice, saan bang tip na saan magandang dumaan? Basta diretso lang?
Diretso lang.
Walang kaliwa, walang kanan.
Kaya nga sabi ni Sir RJ, pakisabi na wag lang bibitawan yung accident.
Oo, kailangan kasi dire-diretso yan eh. Okay.
Ingat na lang po, sir.
Thank you ha, thank you. Nag-enjoy kami. Tahimik.
Balik po kayo ulit, sir.
Oo, babalik kami. Let's go.
Sige po, sir.
We hope you enjoyed watching. See you in our next car camping adventure. Enjoy the outdoors. Drive safe. Bye.